Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's learn the phonic sound of letter Q. Are you ready? Let's go! This is big Q and this is small q. Letter Q sounds like quack, quack. Q is for queen. Quack, quack, queen. Q is for quilt. Quack, quack, quilt. Q is for quail. Quack, quack, quail. Q is for quarter. Quack, quack, quarter. Q is for quiz. Quack, quack, quiz. Q is for quick. Quack, quack, quick. Q is for quite. Quack, quack, quite. Q is for Q. Quack, quack, Q. Q is for quack. Quack, quack, quack. Q is for question. Quack, quack, question. Let's revise all the words once again. Queen, quilt, quail, quarter, quiz, quick, white, Q, quack, question. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.